Hey, here we are on lesson 141 on Wednesday, and I'm in search of, can you help me find? I am looking for rounded numbers. That means numbers that end in, rounded numbers to 10, I should say. Numbers ending in 0. Oh, wait a minute. I think oh, could it be? Did I find one? Let's see. I have found more. That's right. I am finding them. Can you find numbers today that have been rounded to the nearest 10? I hope you can. Today we're going to review and learn something new today. Estimation. Oh, let me get rid of this hat today. Hey, boys and girls, I have a question. Oh, get my hair all floofed back up, okay? I have a question for you. Did you find my treat inside your bag yesterday? The flat Mrs. Kraft, that's right. Where are you going to take me on my adventure? Where am I going to show up with you? Remember, make sure you take me along between now and May 15th, someplace along the way, or maybe more than one place. And you're going to take a picture of you with me so I can see where we went and write me a story. That accounts for one of your cursive papers. What if you want to do more than one? Sure, you can do more than one. Write me a good story and tell me what we did on our adventure. Okay, Mrs. Kraft is going to put this aside and we're going to get down to business today. What? Put it up here? Sure, let's see. Yep, we'll just put right over there. There we are. Can you see me? Okay. Today we're going to start by practicing our subtraction problems. Today's speed drill is all about subtraction. Up here at the top, you see that manatee? Yeah, they have little fish that come and eat the algae off of them. Isn't that kind of cool? God has created every animal in a special way, and that for sure is a special way. These are all subtraction. Don't borrow. You know these. You know them. Don't forget to use our 9 trick. If 9's on the bottom, add those 2 numbers on top, and that gives you your answer. Okay, so don't forget that. We're going to practice here today. I'd like for you to find somebody, if you have somebody in your house that's right there handy, that can do some subtraction problems, and you can have a contest with them to see who gets the most. Yeah, hopefully my fingers work today. Okay, are you ready? Here's the first one. Okay, 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4. Hey, who said 9? Oh, it wasn't 9. It was 11. That's right. Remember, 15 minus 4, you can look right there. 5 minus 4 is, 9 wasn't the right answer. 11 was the right answer. Good job if you were the 11 person. What if you don't have somebody to do it with? Just do it by yourself. See if you can beat Mrs. Kraft. Okay, here we go. 18 minus 13. I heard that one. That is 5. Nice job. Okay, 16 minus 13. When I have 6 minus 3, I can do that. You know the answer. And the answer is 3. Great. Okay. 18 minus 12. We're in the big numbers. Can you tell? 8 minus 2. Hey, perfect. 6 is the answer. Okay. 17 minus 9. Uh-oh, there's that 9. Don't remember, you know that trick. Maybe your grown-up doesn't. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Nice work. Okay, here's another one. 15 minus 2. 5 minus 2. And the answer is 13. 16 minus 1. Snip, snap. You got that one. And that answer is 15. Oh, here's another easy one. 18 minus 1. 17. 16 minus 2. 6 minus 2. Don't forget to bring down that 1. 14. Here's an easy one. Who's going to be fastest? You or the person who's helping you? Who's going to be fastest? Ready, set. 14 minus 14 is? Yes, 0. Here's another easy one. 16 minus 16 is 0. Let's do a couple more, okay? 16 minus 4 is, 6 minus 4 is 12. That's right. Here's an easy one. 17 minus 1, 16. 16 minus 11 is 5. Did you say that first? I thought so. Okay, be careful on this one. 17 minus 4. 17 minus 4. Do the 7 minus 4. Yay! 13. Here's an easy one. I wish we could play captain of the ship so bad today. 18 minus 17. That's right, 1. Or climb the mountain. Yeah, Mrs. Kraft talked about making one of those climb the mountains. I didn't do that. Maybe I need to do that before long. You ready? 14 minus 12 is, I heard you. You remember this from one we had before. That's right. It's 2. Nice job. Last one for today. Get my fingers on it. 15 minus 5 is 10. So who won? Did you win or did the person that you chose win? Which one? I hope you were the winner because you are awesome. You are fantastic at math drills. Keep practicing. Maybe you have flashcards at home, okay? I hope you do because practice makes perfect. That really is true. Okay. Move all that stuff out of the way. I want you to find for me your dry whiteboard. Can you find for me your dry whiteboard? Okay, you're going to need your dry whiteboard, marker, okay, and a paper towel, just a dry paper towel to erase. We're going to practice some things in patterns, okay? I'm going to give you a pattern, and you're going to write the last one on here. Let's see if you can get some patterns right, okay? Pause until you get that dry whiteboard. When you're ready, start up again. But let's get started. 9 and a half, 10. 10 and a half, 11. 11 and a half, write your answer. 9 and a half, 10. 10 and a half, 11. 11 and a half, and the answer is, Abel, what did you write down? The answer is 12. Correct. Okay, erase. We're going to do another one. Okay, here we go. 13, 15, 17, 19. You tell me what's next. 13, 15, 17, 19. Do you know what's next? What are we counting by? What are we counting by? Okay, Calvin, what are we counting by? That's right, we're counting by twos. 15, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So when we get to 19, 20, 21. So counting by twos. Nice job. Okay, here's the next one. Erase. What are we counting by? 24, 27, 30, 33. You tell me what's next. Okay, one more time. 24, 27, 30, 33. That's right. Kellen, what did you put? 24, 27, 30, 33, and correct, 36. We were counting by threes. 3, 6, 12. That's right. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. That 3 times family. That's right. 2 more. Okay. This is for Roman. Roman. 200, 300, well, for everybody, but Roman's going to give me the answer, okay? 200, 300, 400, 500, bang. See if you can beat Roman. 200, 300, 400, 500. I know what it is. Did you get it? Okay, Roman, and the answer is 600. Good job. Last one. Are you ready? Last one. This is for Quen, okay? Don't speak before Quen does, okay? 9, 13, 17, 21. Now, 9, 13, 17, 21. Could you write it across the top and count? Sure, you could do that. So hit the pause button if you need extra time. 9. Think about what comes through next. Okay. Do you know what we're counting by? 9, 13, 17, 21. And the next answer is what, Quen? I'm going to write mine real big. Did you get it? Did you get it? And the answer is correct. 25. We were counting by fours. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That was a little trickier. Nice job on that. Okay. Got that all cleared off? Good job. I have a question for you. Can you tell me, write this on your board, what answer is missing? What answer is missing? Ella, this one's for you. Don't tell Ella. You find it, write it on yours. 4 times something that equals 20. Now, we do the missing numbers with adding and subtracting, but because we know our times tables, our 1s, our 2s, our 5s, and our 10s. Mrs. Kraft is not expecting you to know your 4 times family, but think about, does 1 times anything equal 20? Does 2 times anything equal 20? Oh, it does. 2 times 10 does, but we know it can't be that one because that's a 4. Does 5 times anything equal 20? Ella's got it. Ella, and the answer is 5. You are right. Nice job. Okay, here's one more. Okay, let's see if you can tell me this one. Something times 10, ooh, we know it's a 10 family, equals 110. Something times 10 equals 110. Lucas, can you help me on that one? We know it's a 10 family, Lucas. So what number times 10 equals 110? Do you remember our 10 trick? When we have our answers, do you remember what we're going to do? Did you see that? Don't tell. Don't tell. Did you see what it is? That's right. It is 11. That's right. Because remember, we can cover up that 0 and it gives us the answer. 10 times 11 equals 110. One more? You want one more? Okay. Here we go. This is for Hunter. Hunter's giving the answer, but I want you to do the answer too. Okay, here we go. Ooh, this is a little tricky one, but I think Hunter can get it. Okay. 7 times something that equals 14. Now, remember, we don't know our 7 families. We know our 1 family. We know it can't be that one. 2 families. So let's check the 2 family. Does 2 times 7 equal 14? Hunter, and the answer is bing, bing, bing. That's right. It is 2. He knew that right off the bat. Good job. I'm proud of you. Nice work. Okay, let's put our little boards away for right now. Find your math paper for me. Mrs. Kraft just keeps creating a pile over there. A pile of everything. Okay, we're on this side right here. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to work at the top. Get my little paper here. We're going to talk through some of this. Some we'll do together, but I want you to work on this one more so than yesterday. Yesterday, I gave you a ton of free answers. But today, you got to do some thinking on your own today. Okay? Okay, at the top, it says write the 2 10s. We did this yesterday. Do you remember? We have to figure out what 2 10s go on each side of that number in the middle. So our number is 33. Do you see the 33? Okay, what 2 10s? What comes before 33? Has to end with a 0. It's 30. And Madison, what's the one that comes after? Count my 10s. 30. What comes next? Yeah, 40. Now, Madison, our number is 33. Is 33 closer to 30 or is it closer to 40? Is 33 closer to 30 or is it closer to 40? And the answer is, that's right, it's closer to 30. 35 and up go up to 40. Okay, so we're going to circle the 30. Don't forget to do that second step. I'm glad that you can write the 10s, but don't forget to do the second step. Down here on number 2, write the sums and the differences. I'm not going to help you do those today. You definitely know how to do those. Make sure, check and see if you need to do any borrowing. I see some borrowing that we need to do. Color to show the fractions. You know what, boys and girls? When I checked papers the last time, some people weren't coloring. If the direction says to color, color. If we were in school and you didn't color, what would happen? It would be a correct and a return. But if you don't color, and Mrs. Kraft gave you your school boxes so you know where to color, where your coloring crayons are, you know what? That means to me when I check papers at the end, you're not going to get all your points that you could get for doing your work. It's not hard to color. So we're going to color 1/2, and we're going to color 1/3, and we're going to write greater, less than, or equal to. These are pretty easy. Let's go down to Grandma. Grandma and Grandpa are going camping with their grandchildren. Each of the 6 children is bringing a winter jacket and a light jacket. They're bringing 2 kinds of coats, a winter and a light. How many jackets are the children bringing together? You know, I forgot to tell you, we're in Rocky Mountain National Park. Mrs. Kraft has been there in Colorado. And I saw these bighorn sheep. They are amazing. The Rocky Mountain bighorn sheep, they live basically in dirt. There's hardly any green grass. And the sides of the mountains that they can climb, it is amazing. Okay, back to our problem. Sorry about that. Grandma and Grandpa are going camping with their grandchildren. Each of the 6 grandchildren are bringing a winter jacket and a light jacket. How many jackets are the children bringing all together? Okay, so let's go down to, who did I leave off with? I forget who helped me on the last one. Quinn, was that you? Ella? Let me go down at the bottom. I'll just start with Ben. We'll just get everybody. We'll have more time. So Ben, am I doing an adding, subtracting, or multiplying problem today? I know we have 6 grandchildren, 6 children. How many coats did each of them bring? 2. I'm going to do a multiplying problem. 6 times 2 equals, I don't know my 6 family, but I definitely know my 2 family, and I can turn that around in my brain. 2 times 6 equals what, Ben? Correct. That equals 12. Now it says to label. What's my word in orange up there? What's my word in orange? Jackets. So I am going to write jackets underneath it. Good job. Sorry, I forgot where I was. Okay, jackets. Which person? Let's do some quick math here on the bottom. Okay, Adeline. 6 divided by 2. 2 times something that equals 6. 6 divided by 2 equals 2 times 2, 4. Adeline's got that one. That's an easy one, she said. 2 times 3. Let's do one more, okay? 30 divided by 5. 5 times something that equals 30. 30 divided by 5. 5 times something that equals 30. And the answer is, Layla? 5, 10. Stop when you get to 30. It is 6. Good job. And you're going to finish the rest of that row. This is not hard. It just takes a little time to think it through. But I know you can do it. I know you can. I have faith in you. Okay, today we are going to learn about estimating sums. Let's read the top. You read while I read, okay? It says, to estimate the sum of a 2-digit addends, round each addend to the nearest 10. So we look at 21. 21 rounds up to 20. 28 rounds up to 30. The estimated sum is 50. 20 plus 30 equals 50. We're going to practice some of that. But we're going to practice some estimating first, okay? Okay, are you ready to estimate? You're going to guess. Did you ever have to guess something? Remember Mrs. Kraft said Mr. Kraft got a big thing of candy. They had all this candy at St. Patrick's Day in a big jar. I just threw the plastic jar away yesterday. I should have kept it right. Great big jar, and everybody in the plant got to guess how many pieces of candy were there. Reese's Pieces, and there's gold coins. Did you see the gold coin I gave you? The person closest to the estimation won that, and that was Mr. Kraft. Yoo-hoo! We got lots of chocolate, but I don't like peanut butter. Okay, I'm gonna have to throw some more peanut butter in your bags. Okay. Well, anyway, he guessed 307, and there were 317 pieces in there. I want you to look at these Smarties, our delightful Smarties. Can you guess how many Smarties are in this jar? Okay, how many Smarties are in this jar? Any guesses? Ella, you have a guess? Okay, yeah. You know what? In fact, you could write it on your board. Okay, write it on your board if you want. Or you can just remember it in your brain. How many do you think are in here? Ella, let's see. Kendall, how many do you think? Let's ask some girls. Madison, are girls good at estimating? Okay. How about you, Adeline, or Layla, or Quinn? How many? Madison, did you guess? Okay. Do you have a number in your brain or a number on your board? Okay. You want to see how many there are? Okay. Let's count them out. Okay. I'll count them back into the jar so we know exactly I don't lose any of the rollaways. Okay. You ready? Here we go. 1, 2. Go and change your number now. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 8, am I getting close to your number? 9, 10, 11, am I getting close to your number? 12, 13, 14. Whoop, that guy pounced up. 14. What number did you have? Were you close to that number? Okay, now I have a question for you. What are the 2 10s on each side of 14? If I have 14, what is the 10 before it, and what is the 10 after it? What is it? Layla, do you know? The 10 before it is going to be 10. Remember, 10 always ends in a 0. And what's the 10 that comes after it? Layla, do you know? That's right. It's 20. I got to work on getting a better blue marker. Okay, so 10 and 20. Which number is 14 closest to? Is it closer to 10 or is it closer to 20? Do you remember? It is closer to, that's right, it is closer to 10. Good job. Sorry. Okay, let's try one more. I have a bunch of pencils. Bunches of pencils. Oh, if I can get them all. Okay, see all my pencils? Okay, no fair stopping the video and counting them. Take a guess how many pencils you think I have. Take a guess how many pencils you think I have, okay? Got it? Write it down. Write it on your board. Okay, write it right here in the middle. I'll use a different color. Write it right here in the middle, okay? You got your guess? Okay, and then we're going to count them and see how many we have. And we're going to do the before and after numbers. Did anybody get exactly 14 on the last one? Did you get 14? Okay, let's see how many we have. Okay, you ready? Let's count. I'm just going to lay them down as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whoop, forgot this guy. He rolled away. 21. So our number was 21. Oh, 22. There was another one laying there. 22. Okay, let's write 22 down here. Okay, Caleb, what's the 10 that comes before 22 and the 10 that comes after? Remember, they have to have a 0 on the end. What are they? 20. Hey, there's a trick. Did you notice? 1, 1, 2, 2. Did you notice that? So now we have to go 10 higher than 20. What is that, Caleb? 10, 20, 30. And Caleb, which number is 22 closest to? Is it closer to 20 or is it closer to 30? He said it's closer to 20. He is correct. Good job. I love how you've learned and you know how to apply what you learned. Great, awesome, fantastic job. I'm going to get my whole stack of pencils out of here before they roll away. And I'm playing pickup sticks, okay? And my candy. You want a piece of candy? Okay, here. Oh, sorry. I wish I could give that to you. Okay, find the back of your paper. We're going to estimate some answers, okay? We're estimating by rounding to the nearest 10. We're not guessing like we did here. We're estimating, okay? We're going to go to the nearest 10 because we were giving a number. Let's start with letter A. Okay, we're going to start with letter A, which is up here on the board right behind me. Okay, are you ready? It says 49 plus 22. 49 rounds 2. So what's the 10 closest to 49? Brady, what's the 10 closest to 49? Is it 40 or is it 50? Which one? We're thinking of the before 10 and we're thinking of the after 10. And you said the answer is correct. It is 50. Can you see that okay? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, 22. What is 22 round 2? We have to think of the before and the after. Okay, Kendall, what comes before 22? Oh, we actually had that on our board. That's right. So what came before? That's right, 20. What comes after? 30. So 22 is closer to 20. Nice work. Now we have to add those two numbers together. What's 20 plus 50? Madison, can you help me? 20 plus 50 is 70. Now, if we really added these numbers, do you think they'd be close to 70? Should we try it for fun and see? What's 9 plus 2? 11. Carry 1. What's 1 plus 4 plus 2? 71. Look how close we are. You did an awesome job at estimating. It may be over, it may be under, but it has to be close to that number. And you did it. I'm proud of you. Okay, whoa, I'm shaking the whole table. Are you ready? Let's do the next one. Okay, Hunter. 15 plus 14. 15 rounds to what? Uh-oh, there's that 5. 5 is in the middle, and when 5 is in the middle, we climb higher. So is 15 closer to 10 or to 20, Hunter? Which one? Good, 20. And 14, let's go to Lucas. Lucas, 14, is it closer to 10 or is it closer to 20? 14, here's a clue. Hunter decided 15 was higher. It's going to 20. So what is yours going to do? That's right. He's going to go down to 10. Okay. 20 plus 10 is what, Ella? 20 plus 10 is 30. Should we check and see what our answer is to see if we're close? 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. 29. And if we round 29 to the closest 10, what are we going to get? We're going to get 30. Perfect answer. I'm going to pause for a minute while I set up the next set. I didn't have room on the board, so hang on. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? Here we go. We're on letter C. Okay, letter C is right there on our paper. Are you ready? Okay, I should remember who just did that. Boy, Mrs. Kraft's brain. Let's go to Lucas. Lucas, we did you, I think. Yep, let's do Ella. Ella, maybe I'm repeating, but that's okay. 67 plus 11. 67 plus 11. 67 rounds to what two numbers? Is it going to be 50 or is it 60? 50 or 60, Ella? She said, oh, sorry, Mrs. Kraft. Erase that one. Can't erase the video, but I'm going to rewind. Okay, remember how Mrs. Kraft says, erase that, erase that. Let's go back. 67 is going to be 60 or 70. 60 or 70, Ella. She already knew that answer. Ella, Mrs. Kraft needs you here helping me teach. I really need everybody here in the room so I won't get mixed up. Okay, she said it's going to 70. Nice job, Ella. Better than Mrs. Kraft. 11. Okay. Quen, is 11 going to 10 or to 20? 10 or 20? Which one is 11 closer to? That's right. It goes low because it's a 1. So it's going to go down to 10. What is 70 plus 10? Roman, what's 70 plus 10? 80. Should we add it up and see how close we are? Sure. 7 plus 1 is 8. 6 plus 7 is 78. That's right. If I had 78, I would round it up to 80. You're doing an awesome job. Last one. Okay. Kellen, 22 plus 56. Kellen, is 22 closer to 20 or 30? 20 or 30? 22. Is it closer to 20 or to 30? Don't let Lindley tell you the answer. Yeah, that's right. It is 20. Okay. And 56, is 56 closer to 50 or 60? This is where I need my 50 and 60. Is 56 closer to 50 or to 60? Perfect. He said 60 because 6 is higher than 5, so we have to round up. Okay, so what's 20 plus 60, Abel? 20 plus 60 is 80. And let's see where we are. This is 8, 78, 78 again, and 80 and 80. Nice work. You did an awesome job. Okay, find for me your paper. Multiplying. We're going to go real fast through this, okay? Are you ready? Do you think we can do this in less than a minute? Do you think we can do it in less than a minute? I think we can. Should we set the timer and find out? Okay, where is our timer? Excuse me as I reach our timer. That wasn't very polite to turn my back on you, was it? Okay, I got my timer ready. Are you ready? I'm going to put 1 minute on it. When I call on you, you get ready. Shout out the answer, okay? Ready, set, go. Ben, 6 times 0. 6 times 0 is 0. Good job. 5 times 6. Adeline, 5 times 6. Hold up 6 fingers. Count by 5s. 30. Good job. 9 times 10. Layla. 90. Keep going. Here we go. 3 times 5. Caleb. 5 times 3. Hold up 3 fingers. Count by 5s. 15. He's been practicing. 2 times 8. Brady. 2 times 8. 16. And Kindle. 7 times 10. 7 times 10 is, she gets all excited, 70. And the last one is Madison's. 1 times 1 is 1. Uh-oh, let's stop our timer. You had 23 seconds left. That means, do you know how many you used? How many seconds are in a minute? 60. That's right, 60 seconds in a minute. 37 seconds. Nice job. I am super proud of you. Okay. Let's go down to the bottom with the flowers. Circle 1/3 of the wildflowers Jenny and Emily saw at the campground. So we need to count all the flowers. Let's count them. You ready? You count with me. Maybe if I get real close, you can see better. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now, here's the deal. We really don't know our 3 family. We kind of do. Can you count by threes? Count with me. 3, 6, 9, 8, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. We do count by threes when we were in school. That's really our 3 family. I have 18, and I need to circle 1/3 of them. That's my 3 family. So let's do this. Let's count by threes. Hold up a finger every time we do. And let's see how many fingers we have holding up 3 times something that equals 18. Are you ready? Let's try it. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How many fingers do I have up? Can you see them? I have 6 fingers. We're going to circle 6 flowers in one group. Okay, 6 flowers in one group. Okay, you get yours. I'm going to get mine. Okay, that's right. There are 6 flowers. Remember when it says 1/3, I want to divide things into 3 groups. Okay, let's go down to the last one. Of the 12 elk the deer saw on Tuesday, 4 were females. How many male elk did they see? Mrs. Kraft has seen the elk, and they bugle. Woo! They go really big. We saw herds of like 40 of them walking down in the mountain at the park. We went to Estes National Park. It is a beautiful park. So we need to make a subtraction problem. So we're going to find our highest number first. Of the 12 elk the children saw on Tuesday, 4 were females, and how many were males? So we're going to do a subtraction. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. Okay. Who can give me the answer for that? 12 minus 4 equals, I heard a boy. Who was it? Okay, good. Yay. Okay, 12 minus 4 is 8. You are right. So 8 were males. Look at that big rack. They have huge horns. You know, Quinn found some horns. Mrs. Kraft's neighbor across the wall, it's really my mom and dad's neighbor, but he was there when I was growing up. And you know what? He found one in his backyard, and it has 4 points, 5 points. I don't forget how many points. I'll have to bring it and show it to you. And that was exciting. But my dad found all the whole horns and the head. He found a 10-point buck. Yeah, and it died. Coyotes had eaten the back of it and all the meat. All that was left was the head. Yeah, it was kind of smelly, really. Okay, good job on this paper today. I hope you've done your best on all your work, done some great thinking. Don't forget on the front, you're doing all the rest of that by yourself. We gave you lots of freebies. Okay, boys and girls, I'll see you only 2 more days this week of work, and the next week 3 days, and the next week 3. You've got this made in the shade. Okay, bye.